Okay, so we looked at histograms, dot plots versus histograms, a lot of different ways. And so I'm really hoping to see what the homework looks like. And so, oh, we got a matching issue. Okay, so let's put the dot plots up here. Um, This one is spread out all over. This one's just at the beginning, and this one's just at the end. Um, and so it works itself out. Here's the histogram of 42. How many have lived at least 50 years old? We've got these four right here and then one there. That's a total of five chimpanzees. Um, okay, sharks. A total of nine sharks were measured. No. There's one, two, there's 16, 26, 36, 45, 49, 50. There were 50 sharks measured. So that is definitely wrong. Um, there were 50 sharks, not nine. Two sharks are less than 14 feet. Here's 14 feet. There's two sharks. That's true. A typical shark is between 14 and a half and 16 and a half. Yeah, that looks right. The longest shark was 10 feet. No, the longest shark, we don't know exactly, but it was somewhere between 17 and 17 and a half. So we know that one's wrong. The smallest shark was 11 feet. No, it was between 13 and 13 and a half. And so all of those, um, not true. Here we go. There's a two. Two would be right here. There's a two right there. Two threes, and a four. That would be three. That's okay. Two threes and a four. Um, Four. Oh, this part right here. There should only be four, and there's five. And so three, one, two, well, one. Yep, that all like checks out. It's just this little section right here. So the histogram has one extra part. Revise your selected thing to make it better. Okay. It doesn't tell me where to put that though. Histogram. Yeah, you just gotta erase that top part. Let's see if that gives me credit. Less than or greater than 6. So I'm gonna put it there and then shade this way. N is gonna be less than 3, so I put it that way and then I shade that way. Ooh, okay, so 3727, 1.384, one we're adding, one we're subtracting. 3.727, 1.384. You get a 1, carry the 1, 1, carry the 1, 1, carry the 1, 5. So 5.111. Hopefully you're doing this by hand. You're not cheating with a calculator at this point in the year. 6, 12, 4, 3, 2, 2.343. 501 and 4.8. When I multiply, not so bad. You've got 8, 0, 40. Put a placeholder, you've got 4, 0, 20. So I get 24048 with 1, 2, 3 decimal places. I get 24.048. But for this last one, I'm going to need a clear screen because it takes a lot of space. You've got the first number goes in the house. The second number is outside the door. Move that once, one, move that once. Oop, I'm going to still need more space. 4, 8. 50.1 at that point. 0, 0, 0, 0. There's a lot of zeros in this one. It goes there once. 48. I subtract. I get 2. I bring down the 1. I get 0. Bring down the 0. 210. Let me see. Goes in 4 times. 4 times 48 is 192. I subtracted. I got 18. I brought down the 0. Well, 4 is 192. Then this has got to be 3. 144. I get 36. Bring down the 0. That's what? 7 times is 336. Subtract. I get 24. Oops, bring down the 0. I have too many A zeros. And then 5 is 240 perfectly. So 0, it goes off the board. And so 1.04375. Let's see how I did. Yay, got them all correct. If you have any questions, please ask in class. If not, I'll see you in the next video.